A train smashed into a semi-truck near Tabor, Alberta. Now RCMP is warning drivers to be more careful at rail crossings. 3 people escape SUV before Texas train crash. They got out just in time. A train made contact with an 18-wheeler near downtown Forney after the truck got stuck on the tracks and couldn't clear the crossing in time. The truck got stuck on the tracks while hauling a massive wind turbine blade, and the train collision caused significant damage to both vehicles. An Amtrak train suddenly collides with a vehicle stuck on the tracks in Oakland, creating a shocking moment as the driver escapes just seconds before impact. This train approached a trailer crossing the tracks, and moments later, it struck the cargo box, sending debris aside as the train continued forward. This train approached a semi-truck's trailer, blocking the tracks, and moments later it tore through the cargo section as the vehicle failed to clear in time.
There we are, in the smell of that, in the smell of that, in the smell of that.
This truck became stranded on the tracks as a train approached, and moments later it was split apart on impact.
Oh my God. Oh shit.
I'm not waiting for the train. Oh my God.
This train moved along the line near Mauriceville, and moments later it left the tracks, with several cars shifting off course as the scene quickly turned unstable.
Oh, damn!
Oh, God.
Oh, damn! Did you get that? Oh my Lord, have mercy.
Bukken. What the?
Oh my Lord, have mercy.
This train sounded its horn as it approached a dump truck crossing in Villa Aldama, but the driver continued forward, and moments later, the train struck the vehicle as it attempted to pass. This FedEx truck stopped on the tracks in Utah, and moments later, a train made contact as it remained unable to move clear in time. This freight train approached a car stopped on the tracks in Grace Lake, and moments later, it struck the vehicle as it remained unable to move clear in time. This train approached a crossing near Uzhinev, and moments later, it collided with a vehicle, leaving the scene in chaos as emergency crews responded.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Just happening.
Oh my god!
This train approached an 18-wheeler stopped on the crossing in Cibolo, and with no time to slow, it pushed the truck clear of the tracks, leaving heavy damage but no reported injuries. This truck remained stuck on the tracks as a fast-moving train approached, and moments later, the collision tore it apart while the crew had no time to react. This driver pushed across the tracks despite the warning, leading to heavy property damage, but fortunately, no injuries were reported.
Oh my goodness.
This Trinity Railway Express train struck a truck blocking the tracks, leaving no time to stop, and the vehicle was pushed aside on impact. This train moved steadily near Saskatoon, then several cars slipped off the tracks and dragged along the ground, but fortunately no injuries were reported.
No, that just happened. That just happened. No way.
train moved along the mountainside when a sudden landslide covered the tracks, and moments later, several cars derailed as the wreck unfolded.
Oh my god, what the f? What the f? Is it another track? Damn. Oh.
This truck stalled on the tracks as a train closed in, and before any action could be taken, the vehicle was struck.
Fuck!
Oh man, you said it too, babe. Now there's gotta be fire.